Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Hey everyone. If you're passionate about cameras, full-frame tech, and future-ready gear, then you're going to love what we're exploring today. Buckle up because we're diving deep into the rumors, features, and expected specs of what might be Sony's most exciting mirrorless camera to date, the upcoming Sony A7V. Whether you're a filmmaker, a hybrid shooter, or a stills enthusiast, this could be the camera that sets new standards in 2025 and beyond. Why the Sony A7V might be a game-changer. Sony's Alpha series has long been at the forefront of the mirrorless revolution. The A7 III was a benchmark back in 2018, and the A7V carried that legacy forward with better resolution and improved autofocus. Now, rumors about the A7V suggest that Sony is ready to disrupt the full-frame mirrorless market once again. Industry insiders and leak trackers are hinting that this upcoming release could deliver massive upgrades in sensor technology, processing, speed, and video performance, and possibly change what we expect from a mid-tier full-frame camera. It's not just a rumor, it's in the works. A new model registration with the code WWO84220 filed in May 2025 confirms that Sony is actively preparing this camera for production. This isn't just speculation anymore. It's a solid indicator that the A7V is more than a concept. It's coming, and it could launch within the next few months. Sony fans and professional creators around the world are waiting with anticipation, and the buzz is louder than ever. Expected pricing, prepare your wallet, Turley reports, suggests that the A7V body alone could be priced between $2,799 and $2,999. That places it noticeably above the launch price of the A7IV, and that's not including region-specific taxes, import duties, or markups, especially in countries like India, where the final retail price could increase significantly. While that price jump may raise eyebrows, the rumored features could make the cost worthwhile for serious creators. Sensor specs: 4 MP versus 3 MP. What will Sony choose? Right now, two different sensor paths are being rumored. A 44-megapixel sensor that would favor high-resolution photography, incredible detail retention, and excellent flexibility in cropping. A 33-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor that prioritizes speed, think faster readout, reduced rolling shutter, and better low-light performance. Sony may have to strike a balance between ultra-high resolution and professional speed. Either way, the A7V is likely to cater to both still shooters and hybrid creatives who need performance across the board. Powered by Bion's XR and AI autofocus upgrades, one of the strongest points of this new model could be the upgraded processing system. The A7V is expected to feature the latest Bion's XR processor, which enables faster performance, improved buffer handling, better energy efficiency. Pair that with a next-gen, AI-powered autofocus system, and you're looking at face, eye, animal, and object tracking that adapts in real time, even in low contrast or backlit scenes. It's autofocus made for unpredictable environments, ideal for vloggers, sport shooters, and wildlife photographers alike. Video features, built for content creators in the video department. The A7V is rumored to include 4K video at up to 60 FPS 16-bit. ARAW output via HDMI support for S-Log3, S-Cinetone, and HLG profiles, enhanced color depth, and dynamic range. This would allow creators to shoot cinematic content straight from the camera, with tons of post-production flexibility. While there's no solid word on 6K video recording yet, many creators are hoping Sony includes it to future-proof the camera for years to come. If not, there might be some disappointment among high-end filmmakers expecting cutting-edge video specs by 2025 standards. Stabilization: smooth footage on the Go Zone appears to be doubling down on in-body stabilization, with rumors pointing toward a 5-axis 8-stop IBIS system for handheld shooters, vloggers, and creators who work in unpredictable environments. This could be a game-changer. From walking and biking to low-light handheld shooting, the stabilization should help deliver professional results without a gimbal. Quality: familiar but reliable, while no radical design changes are expected. The A75 will likely retain the ergonomic and weather-sealed body design that Sony fans know and love. Expect a durable magnesium alloy chassis, dual card slots, a tiltable LCD, and customizable controls to fine-tune your workflow. If it follows the A7 series tradition, it'll strike a balance between ruggedness and portability, perfect for travel, commercial work, and field production. Final thoughts. Is this the mirrorless marvel of 2025? Let's break it down. Next generation, AI autofocus, and real-time subject tracking possibly. Groundbreaking sensor technology, advanced video features, and 16-bit raw output, industrial-leading image stabilization, ideal for both hybrid creators and photography. Purists, cheaper than expected launch price possible. Compromise between resolution and processing speed. A weak lack of confirmed 6K or full-frame 4K at 60 FPS may disappoint some video professionals, so who should be excited? If you're a hybrid shooter working across photography and video, or someone who wants a future-proof full-frame body without jumping to the ultra-premium tier, the A75 could be tailor-made for you. From creative flexibility to real-time performance and eye-enhanced features, Sony seems to be refining rather than reinventing, delivering the evolution we've been waiting for. As always, we'll keep you posted on any updates, leaks, or official announcements. Be sure to subscribe to Technology in the future and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next breakdown or deep dive.